Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to use Asana for project management. So it is an all-in-all business management and workflow management software collaborative tool, and you can use it for various tasks. Like for example, you have it for marketing, we have operations, healthcare, retail, so on and so forth. So basically you can create different kind of um, workflows inside Asana. You can assign different responsibilities to different team members. If you add them, you can add their emails, you can add onboard your team. And since this is a collaborative workflow tool, it is going to be helping to combine your team together, and you can do everything that you want. So you can see, if you head over to their solutions, you get basically a lot of government, healthcare, retail, and financial services. You can also use it for education purposes, and you can see we have project management, Asana AI. So if you head over to their landing page, you can simply sign into their account as well. So it will also help you to automate different workflows. You can see you can create different workflows just like that, and it is really good. I use it personally as well. So if you want to get it and have a try, you can head over to their official platform Sana and try it today. So I hope this is a software that can help you um, lightweight some of the load that your team is carrying right now. So I hope this helps. Make sure to subscribe, guys, for more informative videos like these. You can simply subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.